Today we are going to discuss capital accounts of partners. In case of partnership, there is separate capital account for each partner. Suppose if you are going to prepare according to ABC Limited, A and B are the partners. So in case of this partnership, there is separate capital accounts for A and separate capital account for B. So at the time of preparation, you can make capital account like this. So amount column, you can divide it into two, for A1 or B. Same in debit side also, you can prepare like this way. So today we are going to discuss what are the capital accounts of partners. Capital accounts of partners are mainly divided into two. One is fixed capital account and another one is fluctuating capital account. See, in case of fixed capital account, what do you mean by fixed capital account? Capital accounts of partners are always fixed. Under fixed capital system, the capital invested by the partners remain constant unless the following circumstances. See, if a partner is going to introduce capital into the partnership business, what is the journal entry? A is going to introduce rupees 1 lakh into the business. What is the journal entry? Cash account debtor to A's capital account. Cash account debtor to A's capital account. So if you are going to carry this balance into next year, automatically you can see what will come in the partner's capital account. Balance brought down will come. Because last year they started the business, this year we are carrying that capital balance into this financial year. So automatically first posting into the partner's capital account, that is balance brought down. First one. Second one, if a partner is going to contribute additional capital into the business. If a partner is going to contribute additional capital, suppose the opening balance of partner A is rupees 1 lakh, he is going to contribute 50,000 into the business. What is the journal entry? Cash account debtor to A's capital account only, because A is going to contribute 50,000 extra. So how can we post this entry into partner's capital account? Posting we have already discussed in class 11th. So cash account debtor to A's capital account. Which side I want to? I want to go to credit side. What is the posting then? By cash or bank, rupees 50,000. Done. These are the only two items you have to write it under capital account. In which case? Fixed capital account case. Second one is when we are going to discuss the debit side of capital account. First one, you can see that to cash or bank, in bracket one notice here, what is permanent withdrawal. If a partner is going to withdraw permanently from the business, that means A is a partner, 1 lakh was his capital, he is going to withdraw rupees 50,000 from business, going to withdraw permanently. What is the journal entry? You can reverse this journal entry. What is entry then? A's capital account debtor to cash or bank will come, correct? A's capital account debtor to cash or bank will come when he is going to withdraw permanently the capital. Clear? So which side you have to post? We need to post it into debit side of capital account, because A's capital account debtor, see, permanent withdrawal. Last one is balance carried on. So these are the four posts. First one is balance brought down. Second one is additional. When a partner is going to contribute additional capital, what is the journal entry? When a partner is going to contribute? Very good. Cash or bank account debtor to that particular partner's capital account. In this case, who is going to contribute? A is going to contribute. First posting is clear. By cash or bank is clear. If a partner is going to contribute additional capital into the business. Now, when we are going to the debit side of First one is again cash or bank. To cash or bank. What is the reason? Permanent withdrawal. Withdrawals are there two types. Drawings are there. One is a partner can permanently withdraw the capital from the business. Second one is normal drawings. For the personal purpose, if a partner is withdrawing 1,000 rupees, imagine. That is not permanent withdrawal. That is a normal drawings. So if a partner is going to withdraw some amount, like rupees 50,000 from permanently from business, that withdrawal we need to post it into capital account debit side. Last one is balance carried on. Is it clear? This is a format of capital account under fixed capital account. Under fixed capital method, we need to prepare two accounts. One is capital account and another one is current account. Now, in case of current account, you can see that there are 5 postings are there in credit side of this current account. First one is balance brought down. Capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. Capital account always shows credit balance. That is the reason balance brought down is there in the credit side of capital account. But in case of current account, you can see here both the side balance brought down is here. What is the reason? Very good. Current account shows either debit or credit balance according to the question. If you are going to get the information current account in bracket credit to means balance brought down will comes under credit side. According to the question, if you are getting the current account in bracket debit to means that balance you have to post it into debit side of. So what is the logic? Current account shows either debit or credit balance. So the second postings. Yesterday we have already discussed the 3 points like interest on capital, partners, salary and commission. What are the opening journal entry of these 3 and what are the closing journal entry of interest on capital, salary and commissions? What is the opening journal entry for interest on capital? Interest on capital account debtor to partners capital. The same entry, only the name is going to change. Okay, partners salary to partners capital, partners commission to partners capital. But only the difference is instead of capital, what we are going to write? We are going to write current account. Under which system? When we are going to prepare the capital under fixed capital account, our journal entry, our opening journal entry is suppose interest on capital. What is the opening journal entry? Interest on capital account debtor to very good. Partners current account will come, not capital account. If you are writing partners capital account, answer is wrong under fixed capital account. Clear? That is the only difference. All the journal entries are same. You can see what is the last journal entry here. Profit and loss appropriation profit. Appropriation account. Suppose if you are going to get a profit of 50,000, that profit we are going to transfer directly into current account or capital account under fixed capital method. Very good. We have to post it into current account, not capital account. Clear? Capital account only, these are the 2 adjustments we are going to post. Additional capital introduced or permanent withdrawal against capital. Rest of the adjustments, we want to convert it into partners current account. Clear? So here, these are the 3. And when we are going to transfer appropriation profit, what is the journal entry?
Profit and loss appropriation.
Very good. Profit and loss appropriation account. Because profit shows credit balance, we need to close that balance. Then we are going to transfer that balance into partners current account, not capital account. Correct. So what is the journal entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partners current account. A is capital account. So how much? What is the share of A? You can write it here, that share. Now come to debit side of current account. Debit side of the partners current account, first one is balance brought down because partners current account shows either debit or credit balance. Second one is drawings. Normal drawings. If a partner A is going to withdraw 1,000 rupees from the business, what is the journal entry?
Yes, current account debited.
A is current account debtor to cash. Normal drawings. That drawings we are going to adjust in the P&L account drawings. Second one is interest on drawings. We have already discussed when a partnership firm is charging interest on drawings, automatically capital balance is going to decrease. Here we are preparing current account, so instead of capital balance, current account balance will decrease. Logic is same. So interest on drawings, then what is a journal entry?
Yes, current account debited.
Very good. A is current account debtor. Very good. A is current account debtor to interest on drawings. Clear? Normal case, what is the journal entry? A is capital account debtor to interest on drawings. But under fixed capital method, what is entry? A is current account debtor to interest on drawings. Another important thing is, here you can see that P&L account, not appropriation account. Here it is appropriation is mentioned here, but here only P&L account is given. Because whenever a partnership firm is getting loss, incurring loss, that loss directly transferred from where? P&L account. Remembering or not? Profit and loss appropriation account. What was the first journal entry related with the profit and loss appropriation account? First journal entry, profit and loss account debted to profit and loss appropriation account. Suppose imagine if it is loss, then in case of loss, what is the treatment? That loss directly we are going to transfer. Suppose P&L account debit balance, imagine debit balance means what? Loss. That loss directly we are going to transfer it into either capital or current account, not into appropriation account. That is the reason here P&L account is coming instead of appropriation. Profit and loss account, loss, shows which balance?
Debit.
Shows debit balance. What is the journal entry for transferring that loss into capital account? Sorry, here current account. Profit and loss debtor or profit and loss partners current account debtor. Account debtor to P&L account. Because this P&L shows which balance? Debit balance, because it is an example of a loss. Loss shows which balance? Debit balance. Profit shows which balance? Credit balance. If you want to convert this loss shows debit balance, we need to credit it. So the entry is partners current account debtor to profit and loss account. These are the journal entries related with fixed capital accounts. There are mainly two accounts are there under fixed capital method. First one is capital accounts of partners and the second one is current account of partners.